The case management screen is located on the patient register screen. So you would go to patient and register. Just above the picture is the case icon. Click on the case icon. Case information, we're going to go from left to right. The case number can be the date of accident and the injured body part, or it can be the actual case number. This is up to the clinic what they want to use here. The UDF field is a user-defined field. The user-defined field will allow you to add additional information that you would like to collect, and this is totally customizable. So whatever you need to collect in your clinic, you can add under the user-defined field and collect it in that box. The case provider is a provider that's assigned to oversee the case. In order for the case provider's name to show up in the list to select from, they must have the case provider box checked on the provider master screen. The next line, you have the date of injury and the time, the injured body part, unable to work from and up to dates, hospitalized from and up to dates, the place of the accident, the state of the accident, the first date of similar illness, initial treatment date, PS status is permanent or short-term disability, case description, and then external ID. The external ID can be any other ID number you want to associate to the case. The second section of this form is your insurance information. So under here, we have primary insurance. You would have added your insurance information under the umbrella, or you can add it here now. And then you want to associate the case insurance that is going to be for this case here. Once you enter that, the subscriber ID and the classified as would automatically fill in for you, so that's why they're grayed out. If there's a pre-authorization number required, you can go ahead and associate that authorization number now. Here we have a secondary insurance and a secondary insurance subscriber. We have a primary insurance adjuster, patient attorney, if there's an attorney involved, patient adjuster, case manager, other case contact 2. Employer would automatically populate if you had marked it as a workman's comp on the insurance screen. The job number could be selected from here. The WCBA number would go here, or the QME panel number could go here. If it's a auto accident, you can mark it as a lead and put any lead notes in here. And then if it's PIP, you have, say, $10,000 of PIP, you can enter that amount here. And every time that you associate this case to a visit, it subtracts the dollar amount that's left. Same thing with the approved visits. You can enter the number of visits here, and each time that it is used, it will subtract the number of visits left. When your patient has been discharged from this injury, you can go ahead and mark it as closed and enter that closed date and any notes that you may want to enter. Here we can pull statements and ledgers based on the case number. The history button lets you know any activity or changes that somebody has done on this screen. You have a delete button, a reset button, close, and save. If a patient is injured more than once, you can have more than one case number in here. To add a new case, you're just going to hit this plus button up here to clear out the fields and add the new case. Once the case has been assigned or completed in here, when you make that appointment on the appointment schedule screen, you're going to assign that case number to the visit. So when you open this up, you'll assign your case number here. That will determine the insurance for that particular visit. If for whatever reason the case number did not get assigned at the time of registration or appointment scheduling, you can go here to Encounter, Edit Existing, and assign your case here. If you're on the Encounter side, you do have a case button up here in the upper corner if you needed to see any case information during the encounter itself. Under the document list, you can pull medical records based on the case. So if I come here to filter and then to case number, I can choose a particular case that I'm looking for, hit apply, and only those documents for that case will come up. Thank you for watching.